Oh, he's going around the gator. Follow that goat. Follow that goat driver. Make sure. Oh, he's going to another section, I think, right? Going to another section. Otra sección. Hola, ¿cómo estás, señor? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
¿Ah, bien? Sí. Haga. ¿Mucho trabajo aquí? ¿Bien?
Ah, sí.
¿Sí? La naranja, muy bien, ¿no? ¿Sí?
Yeah, let's go.
Here comes Joey. Now that tree's good.
Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Alright, oh wait, okay. This tree's for Marianne. Marianne was saying we didn't get a tree for her, so I guess this tree's Marianne's. And that one's for Luz. That one's for Valerie. And nobody can cry. Okay. So how many buckets did you pick today, Joe? Not too many. Alright. Day number 1 of harvest, year 2013, at Joe and Johnny's Orange Grove. Yeah, we signed the papers. It's official.